From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Jana Rose Schleiss. On Wednesday, Missouri Public Service Commissioners recommended 6 major changes to Liberty Electric's financial practices. Most notably is reducing the company's $152 million rate request to $32 million over 3 years. Commissioner Maida Coleman says it's required to correct issues.
Let me repeat myself so I can be heard as far away as Canada. If the company can't fix the billing problems and improve customer service, the company doesn't get any money.
The Western Missouri utility received direction from state regulators in November to respond to customer complaints about poor service. And in state news, Missouri Senate Democrats filibustered the first batch of gubernatorial appointments brought before the Senate Thursday. It marks the first time Senate Democrats have pushed back on Republicans since the rough endings of the 2025 session and the second of 2 special sessions. Senator Steve Roberts, a St. Louis Democrat, said Democrats' message was an unwillingness to approve appointments without more vetting. However, Roberts also said the actions were related to Republicans ending debate and forcing votes on several bills last year. The Missouri Department of Corrections has fined its prison health contractor millions of dollars since 2021. KBIA's Najifa Farhat reports from the Capitol why the private company continues to face penalties.
Department of Corrections officials told a House committee Centurion has been fined every quarter since 2021 after the state required it to meet 14 performance standards. Those penalties now total about $3 million, while the state pays Centurion roughly $212 million under the contract. Corrections Director Trevor Foley says recent violations include missed medical checks in segregation units and delays in medication-assisted treatment for inmates.
Almost always what it is it's a staffing shortage that prevents them from completing an activity, and therefore they fall out of compliance with a standard and they pay a financial penalty.
The hearing followed an October walkout by medical staff at the Jefferson City Correctional Center when workers raised concerns about chronic understaffing and heavy workloads. I'm Najifa Farhat, KBIA News.
More Planned Parenthood employees took the stand yesterday in Jackson County Circuit Court for the 4th day of a 10-day trial challenging state regulations to abortion access in Missouri. One state law requires a 72-hour waiting period between a patient's initial visit and the abortion. Planned Parenthood nurse Wendy Stamilio says these regulations often cause delays in care due to scheduling conflicts for both the physician and the patient. I'm Jana Rose Schleiss, KBIA News, Columbia.